Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So personally, I love to give and I love to get experiences as gifts. But let's say maybe your kids or somebody still really loves that joy in like opening up a gift. So you do want to go out and you want to get a gift for somebody. Now, if this person's living within my household, I've found it's so much easier to get them a gift if I do a little bit of decluttering and a little bit of organizing before I go shopping for them. An example of that is, well, I'll give you two examples. First, when my kids, when I was thinking, okay, they do want to open something up on Christmas Day, so I need to figure out what toys are they even playing with right now. So that was a matter of going into my toy room where we hold kind of our toys and kids stuff, sorting through that, donating the things we no longer use. And it just heightened my awareness of like how many of these toys we actually don't use. And what they're actually into is maybe a handful of things. So if we're gonna add to that, I wanna make sure A, we don't already have it, and then B, it might actually get played with. So I really, really encourage you to do a little bit of decluttering and organizing before you go shopping. Second example would be for my husband. We went through his clothes and realized that like half of the sweatpants he had holes in them and his socks needed to be replaced, things of that nature. While people maybe don't enjoy getting sweatpants or socks for Christmas, I will be getting him some because we've gotten rid of those and we're gonna replace them. Because it's just time, right? And the other thing we went through was some shirts and like winter shirts, like something like layers to keep you warm, and realizing that he really didn't have some like nice layers that kept him warm. And so in my head I'm like, oh, that might actually be something we need to spend money on. Since we do winter sports, we do need to invest in some good layers, and I didn't know that he only had like one. So it's really, really great to do that declutter before you go shopping. Now I have some great ideas. I hope you'll get some great ideas too. Let me know in the comments if you think of anything, and we will see you next time.